Dutch, are you sure about this?
Yeah, I'm sure about this.
Arthur,
Now get,
are you sure?
I guess. Now get your
Okay.
guns ready and let's go.
Dutch, if we get enough money, are you sure we're gonna sail off to this paradise of Tahiti or something?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, let's do it. Dutch, Arthur, you promise me when we rob this bank, we'll be able to sail off to this paradise of yours, Tahiti, Mango's Maiden. Okay.
Yeah.
Promised.
Promise.
Bandanas on, everyone.
Let's go.
Everyone, put your hands up! This is a
Put
robbery!
your hands up.
Open the vault! Now!
Keep on.
Everyone, get a saddle. Put all the money now! Dutch! Arthur! Come on!
Boy,
We need to get out!
let's go.
Now!
Coming there for us. They're coming for us. Arthur, slow down.
I don't think we can take the Blackwater money with us. It's making us too heavy.
No, I'll bring it.
Everyone, let's go to the mountain.
The day is done, the time has come. You battled hard, the war is won. You did your worst, you tried your best. Now it's time to rest. Now it's time to rest.
Dutch,
Yeah, we gotta read this.
Arthur, I'm hurt. I have a scar.
Oh god, stop.
So
Oh no.
treat me. I need band-aids.
Here.
Give me that. You know, Arthur, Dutch, this robbery, it was quite a thing. The Pinkertons.
Sure was.
Shit. It's Agent, Milton? Look,
I
you can
guess
leave
so.
us alone.
Give us Dutch.
Leave us all
promise
I just
alone.
want you to
We're
leave.
not giving you
Won't
Dutch,
swing.
nor the money. Alright then, get out of here. Dutch, this place is beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Got the money.
Yeah, but that's not enough. We hardly got any of it. The Pinkertons took basically half of it. Now we have 5,000. That isn't enough to sail of your paradise. Let me plan for
We
once.
need to.
Let me plan for
We
once.
need to rob a train.
Let me plan it. Come on, Dutch. Just because I got shot doesn't mean I'm that dumb.
Okay.
Okay. Arthur, I have a plan, and this is a good one. Trust me. The train that Dutch has been wanting to rob. What if we steal an oil wagon from Cornwall's factory and then place it on the train tracks? And then once the train comes, they either have to stop or die.
You know, I have to say, that bullet probably had some smart in it.
I know. Alright, let's tell this plan to Dutch.
That is probably...
Dutch, where's Arthur?
Oh, yes.
Ah, you
Oh
got
my
back
gosh,
with the
those
oil.
are than I expected.
Here, take one. So,
What is this?
we're gonna rob the Lemoyne National train. Is that good? Trust me.
That's
They
good.
store in there around $3,000. Your pay will be around $500 because we need to give all the money to Dutch for us to sail off to his Mango's Maiden. Hey everyone, our third train. Okay. Arthur, you take the back of the train. Dutch, you take the front. I'll take the middle. Okay. Let's just... Okay, the train is coming. Take cover and hide.
Alright.
What's happening?
It's a robbery.
What do you guys want from me?
I
just
want you
want-
to tell us where the safe is. I heard there's around $3,000 on this train. Ain't it right?
I'm not going to tell you. My boss said don't tell anybody.
Tell me
Anybody.
now!
Fine! It's under the train!
What a stupid place. Arthur, Dutch, deal with him. You can kill him if you want, but I think you keep him alive.
Yeah. That's that little birdie.
Oh, he
Dutch.
weren't lying, that fat ass.
Spare him. That's one little trigger to make a sound.
Dutch, I got the money. Well, I got the money, but do we steal from the passengers? I hear that's around 2,000 more. There's around 50 passengers on this train.
Gosh. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Everyone, give me all your money now!
It's a robbery.
It's a robbery! Now!
That's a Morgan.
Where is my son? Where is Jack? It's them Braithwaite people, isn't it? I
think
told
so.
you not to trust them! Where's my son?
There's one with another.
Answer me!
He said you trust him and I trusted him.
Dutch, you should have not trusted them Braithwaite people. I'm gonna kill them!
Go down here, you infant trash. That's a kid. You don't take a kid.
Okay, I'm not giving you answers to your son.
Well, good. I prefer that way.
Dutch! What the hell is wrong with you?
I have a plan. Watch this. Out of my way.
No! No! No!
Tell me where my
Not
son
my
is
play
now.
buttons! Not my play buttons!
Where is my son?
That's alright.
Where's my son, or I'm torching this place down?
Please don't. I can tell you where's my son. Your son is.
Where?
It's at the D'Angelo Torch Mansion.
In which city's that?
The city of Saint Denis.
You also got yourself another death ticket. We're torching this place down, everyone. We are torching this damn place down.
Please don't.
Die, you creature! Light this place on fire!
I'm going to this Saint Denis place, and I'm gonna find this Angelo Bronte. I'm gonna kill him until I find Jack. Hopefully he gives me Jack before I have to kill him. But either way, I'm going to kill him some way or another. But I can't do it by myself. This guy probably has an army. Who are you? Get out of my house. Put your gun down, Italian. My name is John Marston. You took my son. I'm here to take him back. And if you don't, we're gonna have a real bad problem here. Oh, the one named Jack Morrison? Ah. Listen, if you want your son back, you need to do some tasks. I think I've seen you on the newspaper in this one. I think you run in a gang, and his name is Dutch. You need to bring that guy to my mansion. And we need to be very civil, and you need to rob the grave robbers. And then I will give you your son back. Good or no? Because that is my only offer, or I will kill him. That's my only offer. Fine, but if you don't give me my son after I do everything you're asked, every bastard living in this city will die. You hear me? Good. Have a shitty day. Let's just see if Mr. Scar American will come back for his son. Because if he won't, his son will die in my hands. I'll just wait for this bastard. I know he won't even do anything in this city, like rob. Well, maybe he will because he's in a gang.